So hello guys, this is Arian and I'm back with another video of Bilbo Tech. In this video we are going to see about the detailed review of Oraimo wireless headset. Without any further time, let's get straight into the video. So guys, here's the box of Oraimo Night 2 wireless headset. The box looks very attractive. And these are the accessories which we are getting from this box: an ear hook, a USB-B type charging cable, and a welcome guide which includes all instructions about the Bluetooth headset. This is the wireless headset which is offered by Oraimo, and the model name is Oraimo Night 2. The design of Oraimo Bluetooth headset is very cool and elegant. Bluetooth headset has pretty lightweight at just about 7 grams with built-in battery. You will hardly feel it when you wear it on your ear. On the top of the device, you got one button which is used to switch on and off the device and answer and make a new call. Also, it can be used for play and pause the music. On the front side, you have the small multicolor LED. This LED will show whether the device is connected or not, and also battery conditions. On the bottom portion of the Oraimo Bluetooth headset, you have the built-in mic. Now comes the performance. Range of the Oraimo Bluetooth headset is up to 10 meters. The sound quality is not impressive. Sound loudness is decent enough, and you can control that using your smartphone. It has a 110 mAh battery which can last along for 8 hours of talk time, 150 hours of standby time, and 8 hours of music time. It takes 2 hours to full charge. If you use it for a particular purpose, then almost 2 days of battery backup you can get. There is no doubt that Oraimo Bluetooth headset is the moderate Bluetooth headset. This is the mid-range gadget for them who talks too much in driving or office, because it is not possible every time you have your phone on your hand. Actually, its inbox price is Rs 799, but you can get it for Rs 599. So guys, we came to the end of this video. If you like this product, there's a link in this video's description. And if you like this video, click on the thumbs up button and share your valuable comments in the comment section. And then don't forget to subscribe Bilbo and click on the bell button to get instant notifications from Bilbo. Thank you. Cheers.